Hi, I'm Bill. I retired from Valparaiso University in 2004, and the next year I started working out here at the Arboretum. And for most of those years I worked as a docent, that is, a leader of hikes. And my favorite hike is called the Wetlands Trail, and we're just south of the Wetlands Pond and Dam right here on this tree. And although they've cleared off most of the poison ivy that we'd hope to see here, we still see some. And if we look down here, we see this three leaves down there, and the leaves are they're green, but they turn red in the fall. They do have some berries that are not good for human consumption, but animals can eat them all right. And the end leaf is larger than the two side leaves, and it has a little stem, whereas the side leaves grow right out of the larger stem, as you can see. And poison ivy not only grows on the ground as a plant, but it also climbs the tree. And they've cleared it off of the tree except for the vines. And when you get close to the vines, you can see that the vines have hairs on them that cling to the side of the tree. So there are a couple of easy ways to remember these things. One is leaves of three, leave it be. And hairy vine, no friend of mine. And the reason poison ivy is poison because it has oil on the top and the bottom side of the leaves, as well as the stems and the vines that it grows on. And that oil that gets on you because you've touched it within 2 or 3 days will cause an itchy red rash and even little white blisters as a result. So if you're exposed to poison ivy, you should, as soon as possible, within an hour or so, wash that area that was exposed with a strong soap like Bell's Naphtha, or with dish detergent. They say is strong enough. They say hand washing soap is not really strong enough for it. Well, there's another plant that grows right along beside poison ivy. And here's a good example of it right down here. You see it has 5 leaves, and I really could touch that, but I'm not going to bend down and do it. And that's called Virginia creeper. And it typically grows right along beside poison ivy, but it has 5 leaves. It is not poisonous. It grows as a plant, and it also grows as a vine right up the trees. Well, everybody, if you're viewing this, how about you repeat with me? Leaves of 3, leave it be. Hairy vine, no friend of mine. And I've enjoyed talking with you. I hope you enjoyed this.